Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to get Selenium 101 free certification for beginner in automation testing. So this is the automation testing provided by the LambdaTest, and get Selenium 101 certified free LambdaTest certification for the automation testing. So in this video, we'll walk through the complete process to earn your Selenium 101 certification from the LambdaTest and a free and globally recognized credential for the automation testing beginner. So what you will learn, what is the Selenium 101 certification, how to register and take that test for the free exam vouch structure. There is a 40 MCQs will be there and practical assignment and passing marks and certificate validity and preparation tips and study material benefits the Selenium certification for your QA career. So key details are there. Free certification by LambdaTest and duration will be the 45 minutes and 36 hours of the assignment you will get, and passing score will be the 70% or above, and a digital certificate for the boost your resume. So this is the official link. We'll go through this link. Just copy and open this link. So there is a Selenium 101 get certified in the automation testing. This certification for the anyone who wants to stay ahead among the professional who are growing their career in the Selenium automation testing. So you can get a certificate like this, and prerequisites are there. So how to Selenium automation framework, in-depth understanding of the DOM web locator in Selenium, in-depth understanding the web apps, website testing, and Selenium support framework, experience in the running cross uh, browser test and serial and parallel on the Selenium grid. Important instruction is there. Submit the assignment tasks via Git pod, and make sure you have the git pod.yml the configuration on the GitHub repository. Ensure that your GitHub repository on the privately share with the, this is the ID for the LambdaTest certification.com. Okay, this is the mail ID, and other details are there. And submit the final solution within the 36 hours of the deadline. So learning materials are there. This is a video tutorial. You can go through the all the tutorial and complete this one, and other certification are there. So we'll just concentrate on the 101, and exam details will be there. So assignment has the two rounds, objective test 45 minutes and total is the 40 questions. Assignment 36 hours, automate a test scenario. 70% of the score is required to be certified. So click on the get certified, and there is a, you can log in with details, or you can go through the sign up also. So if we'll open the sign up, then this is the sign up page. So get started for free. You can sign up with the Google and others are there, and there is a, you need to give the business email address and desired password and sign up. So I'm going through the my Google. Select your account. So Lambda test certification Selenium, you'd like to require the submit objective test within the 36-hour deadline after the completing the objective test. So just assume I'm going for the Friday, and there is a frame is there. I'm going for 9 p.m. time zone. My time zone is plus 5:30. So this is Chennai, Kolkata, and Mumbai and New Delhi. So click on submit. So are you sure you want to book the Selenium 101 exam slot on the 31st, and other details are there. So click on submit. So this is completed. Now go for the continue and keep moving forward with the Lambda test certification. Explore other certification. So ensure you have to complete the, So get a free certification. So there is a learning material are there. You have to complete all the things. You can video tutorial are there. So total time limit is there. So in this video, we have learned how to get Selenium 101 certified and free LambdaTest certification for automation testing. And there is a step-by-step process I have to shown to you in this video. Follow the process shown in the video. Share with the YouTube video with your friends, colleague, and help them to get certified too. For any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Subscribe my channel for the more free certification tutorial and learning content. And don't forget to follow, like, share, and comment. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.